Hi, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, I showed you how you can add a contact form. Now, I will show you how to add a search bar. The purpose is to improve the navigation of the website. EcoTails, the theme that I am using, already has a search bar. So I will probably show you the settings. If you go to themes, if you just go to widgets, let's see if we have search over here. The search bar is already added, as you can see. So the best way to do this is to create another one. I will just go down over here. I'll click on plus. I will just say search. Okay, and it adds the search bar, as you can see. Okay, that is how you add a search bar. If I update, if you see the old one, we have the search at the top. If I come down, we have categories. After categories, I added another search bar, and I will also show you how to remove it on this particular theme. So as you can see, the search bar appears right over there wonderfully. So if you want to remove it, you can just go ahead and click on the component that you want to remove, and you will get this particular menu, that is a pull up menu or a pull down menu. You click on options, you go to delete and then update to go ahead and make that change. So that's wonderful. I showed you how to add the search bar in this particular video for WordPress. Thank you so much for watching, and in the next video I will show you how to create a sidebar. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel.